So our Walt Life box arrived today, and it is still even in its shrink wrap. The only thing I've done to the box is put a label over my address. So we are going to open it now in front of you all. Get it open. And my son is going to help me while I hold the camera. Ooh, flap says, "Let your dreams begin." All right. It's all about you. Enter to win an awesome prize. So there's a contest. All right. So a nice welcome letter. A fun card. All right. Yes, looks like a little purse. Minnie Mouse on it. Minnie Mouse ears. A diorama kit. 14 pieces, so it looks like we get to do some fun assembling later on. Ooh, a 2020 keychain. Ooh, and a 2020 pin. That's fun. My son is already asking, can he have it? And a 2020 picture frame, still inside the bubble wrap. Something to do on Facebook as well. All right. Well, thank you, Walt Life.